Hi, this is Lauren from Devlo Software, and I'm doing a quick video today to share some of the features from the August 2019 Soluno update. For this new version of Soluno, you're going to notice three key changes to the program. First off, Soluno has a brand new look and feel. You're going to see it right away on the sign-in screen. In the program itself, you'll notice that our 4 layers of menus are all now distinct colors and styles. This should make finding your way through Soluno's options even more streamlined than before. And now your current position within the program is also easy to track with the clear orange trail markers. One thing that you may want to note is the new icon that accesses your financials. This icon will still take you to all of your financial functions. We've just changed the image. And as always, hovering over the icon will inform you which section of Soluno it navigates to. Other than the aesthetic changes, we have made some new updates to Soluno's reporting screen, and I'll show you those now. So in Soluno's earlier versions, you used to have your standard and advanced reporting options in 2 separate locations, but in this version we've put them together so that you can customize and run your reports more quickly. To run a report in this new Soluno version, we start by either clicking the drop-down arrow or actually anywhere along this top bar. And this is going to open your full report options menu. In the report options menu, you can select your view, your start and end dates, and any additional advanced options that you'd like to see on your report. And once you're satisfied, you want to move down to the bottom of the window where you can choose how you would like the report to generate. Previously, Soluno's reporting function would always display your report on screen before you exported it to your desired format. But you can now bypass this step and generate your reports directly to PDF, Excel, CSV, or PDF attachment. This is going to be very useful for larger reports that might take longer to display on screen. If you'd still like to see your report on screen before exporting it, this is still available for you to do. Just select the Generate to Screen option, and that will let you view your report. Now, when you're looking at a report on the reporting screen, there's some new things to be aware of. The first is that you'll notice this new refresh icon. So this icon's going to tell you how long it's been since your report was last generated, and the icon also has this color-coded countdown to alert you when it's time to regenerate your report. Exporting your report when it's on the screen works the same as it was in earlier versions. Just click one of the export icons on the top right of the window. Of course, if you'd like to take a more in-depth look at our reporting screen, we're always happy to provide further training so that you can use the tool to your full advantage. So the next update that we've brought to Soluno is a makeover of the Information Quick Access window. So let's check that out now. You can access the file information, or I button, from all the same places as your current Soluno version. So for example, let's see how it looks from the Add Entries screen. Once you've selected your desired file number, the I button will become active. When it's clicked on, all the information for that file will appear. In this version, we've really expanded the amount of information that's available to you. Of course, the content that's displayed here will vary depending on your administrator settings, but overall you should be able to see more information at a glance. We also have a new feature that lets you get quick file or contact information without navigating away from your current task. Right-clicking on your mouse now pulls up our Quick Lookup menu. After choosing the contact or file you'd like to see, click the I button to view all the expanded information. Just a note that the right-click features that your browser provides, like spell check for example, these can still be accessed. All you do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard when you right-click. And if you'd prefer to have your browser menu appear on right-click and the Quick Lookup to appear on Control right-click, you can change this up in your user preferences. So that brings us to the end of the tour. We really hope that you're going to enjoy these new features, and if you'd like more training and assistance, we're always happy to give you a hand. Thanks so much for watching.